Hey guys, it's Kira from KiraWilliamsFitness.com, and today is Thursday, so it is things that I wish I knew Thursday. So these are things that I wish that I knew before I became a personal trainer. Now here I am, 11 years in. So a long time ago, and this is actually even when I was a personal trainer, but I always just wish that somebody could just like tell me what to eat and when. And so when I was training for bikini competitions, I actually had somebody tell me exactly what to eat, how much, and when to eat it. And it served its purpose because I, had to look a certain way for the show, but it was really difficult because most of the food, quite honestly, wasn't very good. It was very like hardcore diet food. Think like chicken breast and asparagus with mustard and like herbs, no salt, or like tilapia and broccoli and maybe some sweet potatoes if I was lucky. So it served its purpose, but in actuality, that's not how a normal person should go about eating. Even if their goal is fat loss, that's not like, you really just don't want to be that restrictive, because if you think about it, you want to lose fat, but you also want to keep it off. So you want to eat in a way that you can eat for the long haul. And what I do with my clients is I can't, as a personal trainer, I'm not a registered dietitian. I cannot tell somebody exactly what to eat and when, but I give my clients guidance, but we work together to create a plan together. So it's not just me being like, hey, eat 6 ounces of turkey breast here with some broccoli and some zucchini and a teaspoon of olive oil. And then later you're going to have 2 eggs, 2 egg whites, some spinach, and you can have 4 ounces of sweet potatoes. Like, that's not how this works. Because A, I'm not allowed to do that, and B, I don't want my clients to feel super restricted. I want my clients to make their own decisions. So it's my job as a coach to educate each of my clients on what they can eat so they can make their own best choices. So, yeah, I'm going to give you guidance. Yes, I'm going to say you do need to eat you should eat 4 to 6 ounces of protein at every meal, or hey, this is about how much protein you should get in a day, and you can figure out over the course if you want to eat 3 times, if you want to eat 6 times, how, where you want to get that protein from. And I'm going to tell you these are the best sources. Or oh, hey, I'm looking at your meal plan for the day and you only ate vegetables once last week. We need to really work on incorporating more vegetables. Here are some things that I really like. What are some vegetables you like? Okay, this would be a really great place to incorporate some zucchini. This would be a great place to incorporate some green beans. This would, so that's how I do this. There is no one size fits all meal plan. And if you have somebody who is doing that with you, it's probably not going to last a long time. I would say run, but you're probably not going to stick with it for very long. So if you want help with your nutrition, start with me. Commit to fitcoaching.com is my website. I have spaces open and we start July 5th. So commit to fitcoaching.com, and I look forward to having you.